Hello, am I audible? Manish, Rohit from.
Yes,
You are audible.
your voice is too low, sir.
Okay, just a minute. I am sharing my screen. Just wait. You have seen the screen?
Yes, sir.
Acha. Okay, okay. Rohan Didi means who is Rohan?
Sir, your voice is so.
Rohan Subhasni? Anybody know Rohan Didi? Rohan Didi?
No, sir, no.
Acha, just a minute. Uh, if Rohan enter in this class, okay, I will ask who is he. Uh, if he do something, then I will remove from this class. Okay, so let's start. We are talking about this accelerated frame of reference. Accelerated frame of reference. Non-inertial frame of reference is that definition is uh, the frame with respect to which an accelerated unaccelerated body is accelerated is known as non-inertial frame of reference. Now, second is pseudo force or accelerated frame of reference or fictitious force. Here, uh, here we are seeing these S and S dash are the two frame of reference. Just a minute, Prakhar Gupta and Dimitri. Okay. Here there are two frame of reference. S and S dash are the two frame of reference, and their origin are at the same point. Sorry, for S frame of reference, X, Y, and Z are the coordinate axis for S frame of reference, and for S dash frame of reference, X dash, Y dash, and Z dash are these are the coordinate axis for S dash frame of reference. If the frame S force acting and P is a point in which the particle is to be placed. Now, if the force acting on this particle, according to the frame of S frame of reference, then we can write F is equal to M into A. Just a minute, Subhasni Vishkarma. Now, if suppose as this frame of reference uh, is have a force F dash, for F dash force is applied by this uh, frame of reference S dash, and it is accelerated with an acceleration a naught. So in that case, and the frame of reference, as this frame of reference is moving with anti-clockwise direction, so we can write the force acting on the particle due to this as this frame of reference is F minus m into a naught. Minus sign indicates that as this frame is in anti-clockwise direction. So the frame S with respect to
हो
S
ना
dash
यार.
will be S, and S dash will be written as F dash is equal to M A minus this M into A naught. This is equation 3. Now again, non-inertial frame S dash does not hold Newton's second law. Therefore, this F dash is equal can be written as F naught. So we can write F naught is equal to minus M into A naught. So equation 3 can be written as F dash is equal to F, here F in place of this M A, we can write F minus M A naught means F naught. So if we taken in left hand side of this equation, we have taken minus sign. So here we can write f dash is equal to minus on right hand side. Also we have taken minus sign. So here, just a minute, to another people, Abhay Gupta. So here we can write minus f, here f minus this minus into minus plus f naught. So f naught, sorry, minus minus sign will cancel. So f dash is equal to f plus f naught. The force f naught is equal to m into a naught. We can say if as this frame is moving with the f dash direction, sorry, anti-clockwise direction, and it does not hold the Newton's second law, so we can write f naught is equal to m into a naught minus m into a naught. So the force f naught is equal to m a naught does not actually exist, but it appears in consequence of the acceleration of this s dash with respect to s. This called is fictitious force or pseudo force. Now, anybody wants to uh, uh, tell about this today's topic? Anybody wants to
सर
yes,
सर वो सर जो अभी लास्ट में समझाए तो लास्ट में वो करिए सर.
हाँ,
सर ये माइनस कैसे आ गया सर यहाँ पे?
yeah,
ये सर इस साइड
yeah.
ये नीचे में सर, नीचे में.
Equation 2.
नहीं सर, इधर जहाँ पे माइनस काट रहे हैं, एफ डैश इज इक्वल टू एफ प्लस, यहाँ पे सर माइनस कॉमन कैसे आया?
Here I have taken a negative sign in both the direction, left hand side or right hand side. I have taken a negative sign because here this as this frame of reference moving towards anti-clockwise direction. Here is this direction, anti-clockwise direction. So we are choosing negative sign in both the sides. Now next, another, anybody tell question? Ajay,
Hello, sir.
ask any question according to this class.
Pseudo force जो false force होगा ना.
First, you have think about this frame of reference, and according to this diagram or frame of reference, you ask some questions. Frame of reference, a system relative to which the motion of any object is described is known as frame of reference. I have given an example, like suppose if a person is standing on the surface. Now, after that, if a train is moving with a velocity of 40 kilometers per hour, and another body which is another body moves in a cycle with a velocity of 10 kilometers per hour, then the person who derived the cycle, he calculated the speed of train is suppose 30 kilometers. He measured that the speed of train is 30 kilometers. If the actual speed of train is 40 kilometers, but 10 kilometers per hour is the velocity of cycling body or cycling person. Then cycling person measure the calculation of just a minute, Subhasini Subi and Subham Kumar. Calculation of train is 30 kilometers per hour. Now another body, third person, which is sitting in the train, and he observed that train is to be at rest condition. So the motion of the train has no meaning. Means it is described with earth, cycle or train. There are two types of inertial frame, two types of frame of reference. One is inertial frame and another is non-inertial frame. If a body is for inertial frame, if a body is in accelerated, unaccelerated body is unaccelerated, means when a body is at rest condition or moving with a constant linear velocity are called inertial frame of reference, which hold the Newton's first law. Newton's first law. Those frame of reference which obey the laws of refraction. Newton's first law of motion is known as frame of reference. So according to this diagram, can you learn about these topics, frame of reference or inertial frame of reference? Hello, anybody? Subhasini, Binit Singh, ask any question. Binit,
Yes, sir.
ask any question.
Yes, sir.
पूछो कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछोगे तब ना
Sir,
विनीत।
what are the types of frames of references?
तब आया था
Yes, sir.
तो then
Sir, types of frames of references.
हैं? हेलो, मनीष कुमार फ्रॉम इलेक्ट्रिकल ब्रांच।
सर लास्ट में जो वो
जस्ट ए मिनट, who will ask? First, Manish, ask question. Electrical branch. There is no question, huh? Muskan, Saroj Kumar,
No question, sir.
no question. Saroj,
हाँ सर, नो क्वेश्चन सर। हाँ सर।
हाँ,
हेलो।
हेलो,
ठीक है सर, कैरी ऑन सर। हाँ हेलो सर।
सरोज,
सर कैरी ऑन सर, समझ में आ रहा है सर, नो क्वेश्चन।
ओ नो क्वेश्चन, ओके ठीक। प्रखर गुप्ता, प्रखर,
No, sir.
if you want to ask any question related to today's topic, because today's topic is the basic concepts related to the special theory of relativity and general theory of relativity. So ask any question among all.
Hello, sir.
Here, शिशिर,
हाँ हम सर पूछ लिए, स्टार्टिंग में ही पूछ लिए सर।
कुछ नहीं, सब कुछ समझ गए हो क्या?
नहीं सर, आज जो समझा है वो समझ गए।
समझ गए तो कुछ पूछो। कुछ भी नहीं
सर
कुछ पूछो।
No, sir. Thank you so much, sir. बहुत अच्छा से समझ में आएंगे सर।
Ask शिशिर कुमार गुप्ता, you ask. After that, somebody will tell.
सर
हाँ
सर हम पूछ लिए सर हम पूछ लिए, जो डाउट था सर स्टार्टिंग में ही पूछ लिए है।
Okay. Means first up you have to tell about some questions, huh? So non-inertial frame, accelerated frame of reference. Here, Subhasini Vishkarma, you have already asked some question in the first half. Sumiran Kumari, electrical branch. Have any doubt? Sumiran?
No, sir.
No. Jishan Ahmad, any doubt you have? Subhi, any doubt related to today's topic? Subhasini, there is no doubt. It means tomorrow we will teach about special theory of relativity, general theory of relativity. You are audible now? Hello, Ajay, you are audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So,
Yes.
after the completion of this frame of reference and inertial frame of reference, non-inertial frame of reference, tomorrow we will discuss about the there are two theory of relativity. One is special theory of relativity and another is general theory of relativity. After completion of this today's topic, next topic is special theory of relativity and general theory of relativity. And these two theory of relativity are related with Galilean transformation, invariance of an equation, Michelson-Morley experiment, like this. And all these concepts are, if you have, just a minute, wait, to another student, Priyanka Kumari, अच्छा निरंजन, Khushbu, you have any doubt? Khushbu, from electrical branch. Hello, Khushbu. Niranjan, you have any doubt? Niranjan. Niraj.
Yes, sir.
You have any doubt?
No, sir.
In the class, there is no doubt. Okay. Anybody tell about special theory of relativity? Theory of relativity. Observer. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Theory of relativity was discovered by Einstein in 1905, and it deals about the absolute motion in space, and it deals with objects or observer moving with relative velocity with respect to each other. And theory of relativity is divided into two parts. One is special theory of relativity and another is general theory of relativity. Special theory of relativity deals with, first, special theory of relativity. Special theory of relativity deals with objects and systems which are either moving at constant speed with respect to one another or are at rest condition. Means it deals the objects and systems. Hello. Just a minute. After completion of this frame of reference or inertial frame of reference like this, we have discussed about the theory of relativity, and the theory of relativity has to be divided into two parts. One is special theory of relativity and another is general theory of relativity. Special theory of relativity deals about an object and system which are either moving at a constant speed with respect to one another or are to be at rest condition. But the general theory of relativity deals with objects or systems which are speeding up or downward direction with respect to one another. There are two theory of relativity. First is special theory of relativity, and after that general theory of relativity. Special theory of relativity deals about the motion in space and deals with objects or observer moving with relative velocity, moving in relative velocity with respect to each other. Means the general theory of relativity deals the objects or system which are speeding up or slowing down. Upward direction, it moves in upward direction or downward direction with respect to one another. So after that, tomorrow we have discussed about theory of relativity, special theory of relativity. Then Galilean transformation. And after completion of all these things, we have discussed about Michelson-Morley experiment. So first thing, we have discussed about special theory of relativity and general theory of relativity. So 15 minutes is going on. So you all are leave from this class. This class is only for 15 minutes or 20 minutes, like this. So one by one you can leave from this class. हेलो
सर इसका अटेंडेंस नहीं बनेगा सर?
आज का जो मेरा टुडे क्लास इज ओनली फॉर फ्रेम ऑफ बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ थ्योरी ऑफ रिलेटिविटी व्हिच आर रिक्वायर्ड. Tomorrow at 9 o'clock I have taken a class. So you all come join tomorrow.
यस सर.
Okay, sir.
Leave from this class.
25 को कंप्लीट करो तो आधा अधूरा में छोड़ा है. लो बाड़ी में छोड़ देंगे.
हाँ बेटा क्या करेंगे बेटा, देखते जाते घर में रहते हुए ड्यूटी हो जा रहा मेरा, क्या करेगा.
इरेजर देना थोड़ा सा कर ये कर देंगे पेंसिल तो थोड़ा सा पतला कर देंगे. लाइन बाबू पेज बर्बाद करो, खपत में नहीं मिलता है. ओला में लिखो, जो बोल रहे हो सुनो, एक ही चीज डेली मत करो. ओला कर लो फिर ओला करना.
मोबाइल तो कुछ हुआ नहीं ना.
नहीं होता है टेंशन नहीं हुआ है.